Ever wonder why some people can breeze through their workouts while others hit a wall? A 2025 study from Nature Metabolism revealed a shocking truth. 79% of dieters regain weight due to metabolic rigidity. But don't worry, today I'm sharing 3 science-backed fasting hacks to unlock your metabolic flexibility. Let's dive in. First up, time-restricted feeding windows. An Oxford 2025 trial found that 14-hour fasts can boost fat oxidation by 48% during exercise compared to 8-hour windows. Nurses using circadian stacking, aligning fasts with cortisol peaks, improved glucose switching by 63%. Take it from an ultramarathoner who fasts 16 hours before long runs, turning his body into a fat-burning machine. Your metabolism isn't lazy, it's just untrained. Hack it to switch fuels like a pro. Next, let's talk fasting exercise synergy. A 2025 Karolinska study showed that just 20 minutes of fasted yoga can elevate fat-burning enzymes by 41%. Imagine fasted sprints supercharging your mitochondria, animated cells merging and boosting energy. Pro tip, drink Matcha before your workout. Its EGCG activates PPAR-alpha pathways, speeding up fuel switching by 22%. It's like giving your metabolism a turbo boost. Finally, nutrient cycling for flexibility. MIT scientists discovered that cyclical keto fasting, 3 days of low carb followed by 1 day of carb refeed, boosts metabolic flexibility biomarkers by 55%. Picture olive oil lemon shots before meals, reducing insulin spikes by 68%, as shown in continuous glucose monitor data. As Dr. Raj Patel says, metabolic flexibility isn't a trait, it's a trainable skill. Ready to transform your metabolism? Smash that subscribe button, tracker, Oxford Fuel Switch Protocol, MIT meal templates. Your body wants to flex, make fasting your metabolic superpower.